We're just gonna use the right there clean break. Yang, I'm gonna make shoyu Supreme Shoyu Chicken. Xiao Gai in Kanto style. It's a super simple recipe. I'm making this for the Chinese New Year that's gonna happen on February 1st. We're gonna make a big hot pot of some stuff. I don't know how to call it in English. But anyway, part of the use for this is the shoyu chicken. So I'm gonna make it. And so it's super simple your recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of burpees. I make a lot of food and I eat a lot of food, different restaurants all over the place. All right, thanks a lot, and here we go. I'm telling you, this is super simple, 10 minutes or less for sure. There's kind of two different ways of doing it. I'm gonna do it the slow way because I want moist chicken. So I'm gonna put in the soy sauce. I put in the same amount of water as the soy sauce, so 1 to 1. Right? And then I'm gonna use that's the light soy sauce. I'm putting some dark soy sauce for the color. This actually just doesn't add to the saltiness, but it adds to the coloring. Star anise. I'm gonna save these. Green onions. Brown sugar. This is optional. If you have aji marin, put some in there. You don't have to. And I'm looking for it. It's coming. Super fast, it's coming. Ginger. Put a little bit more water. And just let it boil down a little bit. Again, there's multiple versions of this recipe, but this is the easiest one. Ends up tasting just as good. So as it's boiling down, I'm gonna stir it a little bit. And then all I'm gonna do is this will melt eventually. Brown sugar is not super sweet. It just adds to the glazing, I guess. That's what you call it, right? Glazing. By the way, on the next pot over, I'm actually making ginger chicken. So I'm making 2 of them at one time. I'll show you what I do later. The chicken leg, usually I can put the whole chicken in there, but we don't need that for the recipe. So that's it. Believe it or not, I'm not kidding. And now we just have to watch it like every few minutes. And we're gonna cover it, and away we go. We'll come back in a few minutes. Yeah, my wife made bread. They're so soft. The roll I made, the roll we did yesterday, I ate half of it. Once you start one, you can't stop, and the house smells so good. But that's my Lick's life. It's been about 5 minutes or so. I did try to put some soy sauce over it, but I'm not gonna turn it over. Be careful not to break the skin, because that's actually the prized possession. That skin, I'm not kidding. This skin, yeah. The trick is to not break this skin. And there's another way of doing it where you can fry it first. Now, I don't mean fry, I mean like pan fry it, pan sear it, so the skin becomes tougher. But I like it like this because I like the skin soft. And now we're just gonna continue to cook it. Gotta be low heat for tender meat. Get it? Low heat for tender meat. And we just keep it. And by the way, you see over there? That is the ginger chicken. I'm making both at the same time. Another few minutes now. We're gonna render down the sauce. We're gonna get rid of all the junk. Look at that. Nice and plump. It's already done. So all we're gonna do is gonna rest it, and then we're gonna plate it into the Chinese New Year dinner. Alright, the last part of it is to cut the chicken. And this shoyu chicken is like supreme. We're gonna put it into our Chinese 2022 Year of the Tiger Bun Choi. And so here we go. Yeah, it's tough, but it's gonna splatter everywhere. But it is what it is. Okay, check it out here. We're just gonna use the right there clean break. See that? Oh goodness. Right there. So easy. And then I don't have gong fu, so I use hammer fu. Look at that. Hammer fu works too. Look at that. And we're gonna plate it. This is so good shoyu chicken. And then we have a sauce that can be used for so many things. Your Uncle Burpee Yoga, such an easy dish, but can last a long time for many things. Aloha. My shoyu chicken, Hong Kong style. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Oh geez, I cannot wait for Chinese New Year. All the best to you folks. Yeah, my wife made bread. They're so soft. The roll I made, the roll we did yesterday, I ate half of it. Once you start one, you can't stop, and the house smells so good. But that's my Licks life.